Hello guys, how are you? I am at the Emaar Oceanfront Karachi. Today I have a 3-bedroom apartment for rent here. Let's have a view. It's the entrance of the apartment. When you enter in the apartment, you have a powder washroom. Then here you have a maid room with attached bathroom. You can cover the bathroom also. Then we have a corridor. Here we have a washing area. You can see, you can put your washing machine here. Then we have a first bedroom. It's a first bathroom. You can see there is a shower area also. This is a first bedroom attached with wardrobes, and you have a partial sea view and the community view. You can see the pool here. You can see the paddle place from here. Now here we have a second bedroom. It's a quite big size of a bedroom. Here is a wardrobe also, and you have a bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom with a big size. Now I am moving towards the kitchen. It's an unfurnished apartment. You need to buy your own appliances. It's a big kitchen. Now I'm going towards the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom here. It's a quite big size and a good size of a wardrobes. And you have a partial sea view. It's a very nice view, and you can see the whole city. Even in the night you will see the all city lights from here. And here is the master bathroom. You have a quite good size of a bathroom with bathtub. You can cover the bathroom. Now the main part of the apartment is the hall of this apartment. You have a quite spacious size of a hall. You can see, you can do the dining here. You can put a very nice living here. And you have a partial community view and also sea views from your hall. Now I am moving towards the last part of the apartment. It's the balcony. It's a quite big size of a balcony. And you have a full city and sea views. Whoever wants this apartment for rent, you can contact me. The price of this apartment is 400,000 per month without maintenance. Maintenance is 80,000. Price is slightly negotiable. So please contact me for viewing and details. Thank you.